Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on a laptop. First, you'll want to confirm your laptop meets the game's minimum system requirements, typically needing at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor. Next, download the official Minecraft launcher, which is available from the Mojang or Microsoft website. You'll then need to create an account and purchase the game. Finally, make sure your operating system and graphics drivers are updated for the smoothest experience. Once you have the launcher downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple steps to get it set up on your laptop. After installation, open the launcher and log in with your Mojang or Microsoft account. You can then choose which edition of Minecraft you wish to play, like the popular Java edition. With your selection made, simply click the prominent play button to launch the game and dive into its blocky world. Navigating Minecraft is straightforward. You'll use the W, A, S, D keys to move around and the spacebar to jump. To interact with the world, left-click your mouse to break blocks and right-click to place them or use items. The E key opens your inventory, where you can manage your collected items and craft tools. Start by exploring your surroundings, gathering wood and stone, and building a small shelter to stay safe from nighttime creatures. To get the best performance, especially on a less powerful laptop, adjust your in-game video settings. Reducing graphics quality and render distance can significantly boost your frame rate. Many players also use mods like Optifine to further optimize performance and add more graphical options. Remember to close any other programs running in the background to free up valuable system resources. Finally, a stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth and enjoyable multiplayer experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.